हेलो फ्रेंड्स। प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने देखा था कि हम किस तरीके से फोल्डर बना सकते हैं, फाइल अपलोड कर सकते हैं, आइदर बाय ड्रॉपिंग और अपलोडिंग द फाइल। और हमने ये भी देखा था कि हम हमारे कंप्यूटर में से या हमारे लैपटॉप से किस तरीके से पूरा की पूरा फोल्डर गूगल ड्राइव पे अपलोड कर सकते हैं। ओके, नाउ लेट्स एक्सप्लोर सम मोर फीचर ऑफ गूगल ड्राइव। जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस प्लस न्यू button. Okay, now let me explain this Google Docs. Just click on this Google Docs. Okay, suppose I want to give assignment or some important questions to my students. So just I am important questions like this. Okay, type your important questions here. Suppose question 1, like, okay, type your important questions here and just close it. Okay, so let you can easily see this IMP questions are here. Okay, now IMP questions file are here. Now let's explore one more option. Click on this +1 button and then Google Docs working like MS Word and Google Sheets works like MS Excel. Just click on this. Okay, now suppose I want to give this file name attendance sheet. Okay, just click on this and type attendance sheet. Okay, uh, uh, whatever you work you want to do, you can do here. So see, as I type something, okay, again I am repeating. Okay, it automatically gives the folder my drive. Okay, attendance sheet in my drive. So as I close the file, it automatically appears here. Let's explore our third option, that is a Google Slide. Work just like MS PowerPoint. Click on this. Okay, give the name of the file like presentation 1. Okay, save to drive. It automatically save my this presentation at my Google Drive. So just close it and you can see here there are 3 files upload automatically saved here: attendance sheet, important question and presentation 1. Okay, now let's explore one. Suppose I am a research scholar and I want to create some survey, or suppose I want to create some quiz. So definitely I am using Google Form, or in my upcoming videos I am explaining you how we can use Google Form, but for this time I'm just explaining you how we can store our quiz or our survey here. So just click on this Google Form. Okay, in this way your Google Form is up here. I'm not giving any names. Okay, let me give name quiz1. Okay, in my upcoming video I am going to tell you about how we can design a quiz for our student. So for the time being I'm just closing it. Okay, here you can see there are files. Okay, I am going to close this. Okay, there are 5 files here: first, second, third and fourth. Suppose I want to delete this particular file. Okay, just click on this and delete it. Okay, and if you want to undo such actions, just click on here undo, and if you really want to delete it, just delete. Okay, now I want to delete this file permanently, so I can delete. Okay, so just go trash from here, like this. Okay, this is my drive and this is trash. Okay, here you can see quiz 1 is here and I want to permanently delete it, so I can delete it permanently. Okay, it gives me warning, one file or folder is about to be permanently deleted. You can't, वार्निंग, यू कांट अनडू दिस एक्शन, मतलब कि अगर हमने एक बार इसे डिलीट फॉर एवर कर दिया तो हम इसका बैकअप नहीं ले पाएंगे. तो जस्ट डिलीट फॉर एवर. ओके, वन फाइल परमानेंटली डिलीटेड. एंड लेट्स एक्सप्लोर वन मोर फीचर ऑफ गूगल ड्राइव, दैट इज स्टोरेज. ओके, नाउ it gives the complete information regarding how much storage I have used. You can see here I have used 24 KB out of 15 GB, and it gives complete information which file using how much storage. For example, this triangle file uses 4 KB storage. Okay, now recent tab shows how many files are recently I have used. Okay, now shared with me. If someone shared some document with me, it gives complete information here. So in this way you can easily store your file, and you can also open all these files at your mobile